This is an illegality going on. Twe haha igooti-inĩ ũmũthĩ twera igooti release ngari icio, ngari cia aspirant na ngari ĩrĩa ĩtwarithĩtie andũ aya. Ngari ĩyo nĩyo ĩhũthĩragwo day by day, nĩyo that is the only source of income andũ acio menacio. It is going into waste, and this is not what we elected. We elected progress. We elected a person who represented himself as a true leader. But this is not leadership.
Mugoka kanitha, murahura andu kanitha ni undu wake. Koguo hatire uma owothe harĩ ndeto ici cia kuga atĩ Rigathi nĩ aroka na ngũĩ. We have credible evidence to show that they are supposed goons, but we are seeing police protection. Na harĩa turona mahĩtia maingĩ mũno nĩ use of excessive force. If we continue like this, we have no guarantee that we shall have free and fair elections.